Hi, it's Karen George again, talking more about MenoFit and who is it for. So this is actually a really important question that you might have if you are anxious because you do very little exercise because you've got a sedentary lifestyle. Well, actually, that's pretty much who I've aimed it at because we need to get you healthier. So there's the program is for you, and it's progressive, slowly progressive. And so we don't even begin any cardio work till month 3, when you're a lot more excited about exercise. So then there's another group, and those of you who are active but not like super fit, all right? But you're probably finding that what you're doing currently doesn't suit you as well as it used to. So you're more at risk of injury when you exercise, and that's where boot camps are not so good. All right, form is everything, and you'll hear me say that lots and lots in the program. You need to learn the exercises to do them properly, or you won't get the benefit. And if you're in a large, fast-moving group like a boot camp, that's going to be really hard for the instructor to supervise everybody to make sure that you're doing it properly. So this is for you as well. You pick the level that you're going to start at and you work up from there. So what if you're super fit? And I know that some of you are far fitter than me, far stronger than me already. You still have the options within the program, and you will be on the leaders board, and that's fine. But as long as you're progressing, you're competing with yourself and learning a new way of exercising. So you can keep doing the stuff that you're doing. So if you walk lots, run, play tennis, whatever it is, but you want to get that all-round health, well-being, and energy that we need to go forward, then you settle into your level. So that comes with the intro sessions. You learn the exercises when strong, and you set yourself the right level, and then you just go from there. Okay, so some of you will be just really taking baby steps, and others of you will be pushing me to my limit. Okay, so that's who it's for. Now, who is it not for? Is those of you who have a serious injury. Okay, so if you're seeing a therapist for shoulder, back, wrist, that kind of thing, neck, then you need to get them to say that it's okay for you to do a strength program. And if you want to, I really recommend that you contact me, and we can talk your injury through and see if we can modify things for you. Okay, sometimes it's just a matter of not doing all of the list of exercises, but modifying one or two of them, or just leaving one of them out. You're still going to get all the benefits. All right, so that's who it's for and who it's not for. And remember, I'm aiming this for women who are losing their estrogen and who have lost it. Okay, so 45 years onwards kind of thing, unless you're being triggered into early menopause through some medical condition, then really just join in. Okay, and there are links below.